Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with AM/FM Sirius XM radio, 120 volt bed mounted power outlet, trailering package, heated front seats, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar, keyless open and start, hitch guidance with hitch view, GMC connected access capable, preferred equipment group 4SA, power sliding rear window with rear defogger, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.